Hi guys, Namaskar. Welcome back with my silly suggestions that work. Today, I would like you to take to a beautiful journey with my boss baby Toffee. So here we start. One day my daughter dropped a bombshell. Mom, I want to adopt a rescued cat. बिल्ली बिल्ली कौन पालता है एंड व्हाट इफ ही क्रॉसेस आवर पाथ अगर बिल्ली रास्ता काट गई तो it is another matter that our darling Toffee keeps on crossing our path day in and day out, and we simply adore him for that. He is so expert in cleaning and grooming himself that if you ever watch him, you would appoint him as your official beautician immediately, and his services are open to all. Any takers, please? Toffee is really very naughty. He simply loves to throw things down. So our house is adorned only by his beautiful presence, no other showpiece. He is a real well-wisher and believes in early rising. So he gets up at say 4:30 or max 5 and wakes us with his meow clock. He keeps on doing so till all of us are up and about. I think Toffee wants to inculcate in us good habits. uh, that is not the end of his talent. He is very generous soul. He keeps on showering on us gifts like cockroaches, insects and other things, and we keep on saying, Toffee बस कर भाई, हम तेरे गिफ्ट्स के बोझ के तले दब जाएंगे, but he doesn't listen at all. He is in real sense he is apple, banana, cherry of our eyes, but as far as I am concerned, I am last on his priority list. It seems that he is punishing me for my reserved response to him initially. It doesn't matter. Now to we gel nicely, I think. His favorite pastime is to hide himself at unexpected places, and which makes us very much worried. In as far as searching for him is concerned, I think he can give Daya of CID a run for his salary. He is so expert, and then all of a sudden he will come out with the expression, what is this कोलावेरे about, what is this fuss about, मैं तो यहीं था, तुम्हें ढूंढना नहीं आता बुद्धू कहीं के. Sorry Toffee for that. He is real lion's mausa. बिल्ली को ऐसा ही नहीं कहते, शेर की मासी, and he is kingdom of his domain. Our darling Toffee makes us dance on his little paws, I must say, because finger is not appropriate here. And he has a special bond with my daughter. She also, whenever she visits us, her clear instructions are, now you guys don't interact with him, I have a limited time, so let's gel together. Fair enough. We leave both of them to their own devices and the way they communicate, that is really hilarious. It is hilarious to the extent that if you listen the exchange, you will not able to find any meaning in it, but if it is full of joy. Toffee has such an influence on my daughter that he motivated her to write an inspirational e-novel with the title Don't Let the Kitten Drive the Car. So you can very well imagine the positivity, happiness these furry creatures they bring in our life. And thank you Toffee for accepting us as your family, and I am eternally grateful to you. I would like to avail this opportunity to express my gratitude to the vets who take care of these voiceless, furry animals with so much love and care. Thank you very much. शुक्रिया दोस्तों. ईश्वर